Welcome back to Car Flair. If you've ever dreamed of taking your adventures off the grid without sacrificing comfort, the 2025 Toyota motorhome truck camper might be the answer you've been waiting for. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and innovative vehicles Toyota has ever built, an all-in-one truck and camper setup designed for the modern explorer. This is more than just a truck with a camper bolted on. It's a purpose-built adventure rig with Toyota's legendary reliability, new hybrid technology, and an interior designed to make every mile feel like home. We'll break down everything you need to know, from powertrain options and off-road capabilities to interior features, comfort, and available upgrades. Whether you're a weekend camper or planning full-time van life, this truck camper has something for everyone. Stick around to the end to see how Toyota is changing the way we think about life on the road. If you're curious about living off-grid, road tripping across the country, or just having a smarter, more comfortable way to explore the outdoors, you're in the right place. Now let's take a look at why the 2025 Toyota motorhome camper truck is built for adventure without compromise. The foundation of the 2025 Toyota motorhome camper truck is either the robust Toyota Tundra or the versatile Tacoma, depending on the configuration you choose. Toyota has taken these proven platforms and engineered them to support a fully integrated camper unit. No aftermarket modifications or third-party conversions here. Everything is factory installed and designed to meet Toyota's high standards for durability and performance. This integration allows for better weight distribution, improved safety, and a more seamless driving experience compared to traditional campers. Under the hood, the truck camper is offered with Toyota's latest iForce Max hybrid powertrain, a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor. This setup delivers a powerful 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, giving you all the grunt you need for steep climbs, towing, and long highway drives. For those who prefer a traditional gas engine, Toyota also offers a non-hybrid V6 with excellent fuel efficiency and towing capacity. No matter which engine you choose, this truck camper is built to go the distance. What really sets this model apart is its off-road capability. With standard four-wheel drive, available crawl control, multi-terrain select, and enhanced ground clearance, this camper truck doesn't shy away from challenging terrain. The reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension, and all-terrain tires make it just as comfortable on a rocky trail as it is cruising down the highway. Toyota has clearly built this vehicle for people who want to explore far beyond the pavement. Inside the camper, the space is surprisingly spacious and intelligently designed. You'll find a cozy sleeping area that converts into a lounge space, a small but functional kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, sink, and fridge, and a convertible dining table that fits 2 adults comfortably. Some models even include a compact wet bath with a shower and toilet, giving you complete independence from campgrounds and rest stops. The camper is built with high-efficiency insulation, low-energy LED lighting, and windows that offer both privacy and ventilation. Technology is another strong point. The interior features a smart control panel that manages lighting, climate, solar input, battery status, and more. You'll also get wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and available Wi-Fi connectivity through Toyota's integrated system. The solar panels on the roof keep the camper powered for days, and the optional lithium battery upgrade allows for extended off-grid living. It's truly designed for people who want to live, work, or travel remotely without giving up modern conveniences. Storage is another area where Toyota nailed the design. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and under-seat storage give you plenty of room to bring along everything you need without clutter. Whether it's camping gear, food, clothes, or camera equipment, everything has its place. For those who love to bring bikes, kayaks, or extra gear, the exterior offers mounting options including a roof rack, bike rack, and even a rear cargo box. Toyota also focused on safety and driver assistance features. The camper truck includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system to make navigating tight spaces a breeze. Towing assistance, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are also available, helping you stay aware of your surroundings no matter where you're headed. Customization is another exciting aspect of this new motorhome camper. Toyota offers a range of packages, including off-road upgrades, luxury interior finishes, exterior awnings, and even a stealth overland kit for more extreme expeditions. Whether you want something simple and rugged or fully loaded with every amenity, there's a configuration that fits your needs and budget. Toyota has managed to blend reliability, innovation, and livability in a way we haven't seen before in the camper market. The 2025 Toyota motorhome truck camper is not only functional but inspiring. It encourages travel, exploration, and independence in a vehicle that's both practical and exciting. It's the kind of setup that lets you wake up in the mountains, drive to the beach, and still have everything you need right behind the driver's seat. If you're looking for a vehicle that's just as comfortable off the grid as it is in the city, the 2025 Toyota motorhome truck camper might be your perfect match. It's durable, smart, and ready for adventure right off the lot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Flair for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive innovations built for the road and beyond.